We at Whole Foods out here. What's that? Oh no. Oh, not broccolini. Today is Sunday. I think it was a cool day. We went to this park. We've gone to before, but not for that like hardball kind of matches. Like how they play in Spain and everything. I think it's called like fronton or something. Or trinquete. Something like that. Or vasca. And then we went to this like ramen spot. I had like 6 rolls. She had her ramen, her pho. It was bomb. But I think como que le cayó mal. Like it hit her bad. So right now she's trying to shop for the week. She's trying to do good. Trying to get vegan stuff, little healthy vegetables here and there. Make herself, she does this like meal prep thing, which is cool. She loves ponzu sauce. And look at what I got her. She's taking, guys. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Bye. I got a little. I proposed to her right here at the Whole Foods. She said yes, guys. Tart cherry. Here. Show. Get 2. Show the audience what you got.
Tart cherry. Am I too close?
Yeah, just put your hand out though. Yeah.
And raspberry lemon.
What? Say it loud. Are you? Nice. This is the. You can't really see it, guys, but right there's the Halo Top ice cream. So she's been trying to get it for like months. She always talks about it, but she's never about it. And today she's gonna be about it. So it should be exciting. Show your excited face, look. Whoa. Oozing with excitement, guys. Sorry, she's not all there right now. She doesn't feel good. Like I said about that spot earlier, she had her ramen. And it was like chicken based.
Chicken broth, guys.
Chicken broth, and
I'm allergic to chicken.
she hasn't done chicken in a long time. And I guess just the thought of it and everything just hit her wrong, and she's kind of a little depressed right now. So hopefully a little ice cream cheers her up. Oh, look at her. Oh, but being depressed doesn't stop her from breaking down.
The calories for it are good.
Just take one out. Just take one out to show the audience. The calories are amazing on these. Look, it's like a pint-sized ice cream.
Protein-packed ice cream, guys.
Protein-packed ice cream.
$2.80 for this whole pint.
Closer, closer.
At one of those nights.
Closer. There you go.
Ladies, when you're depressed or it's that week before your period and you just want something sweet, not for us guilty. Try this out, girl.
There you go.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try sea salt caramel. What should we do, birthday cake? What are you gonna do?
¿Qué es eso? She hasn't bought me anything yet. Let's see what she buys me.
Do you meal prep?
Huh?
Are you meal prep?
Oh no, I'm fine. I'm fine. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't want anything. Low key, I do. No me compran nada. I'll just keep looking sad. See if she gets the hint. Ah. Oh, that booty. I got it right there. What'd you get? Louder. What'd you say?
Root veggie hash browns.
Root veggie. Low key, she's watch. Look over here. Low key. That ring though.
It's off.
What do you mean take it off? Breaking up with me?
Bang.
So
I got zucchini.
Zucchini in the bag.
Oh wait, let's do the
heavy stuff first.
Yeah, so I got
Kombucha?
2
Sorry, go ahead.
Anyway, so I got 2 kombuchas. I got tart cherry, raspberry lemon. There's like a bunch of benefits to it, but I don't even know what they are. But I saw it on YouTube, so I have to believe
It must be true. Yeah.
It must be true.
¿Qué más? What was that? Oh, the Halo Top ice cream, 240 calories.
Protein. I got the veggie ground crumbles. Wanna be meat?
Meatless meat is what I always say.
2 chilies.
2 chilies.
The spicy one.
Spicy chilies. Ooh. Kill 'em. Ooh.
Frozen broccolini.
Frozen broccolini is a must for her.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms is a must.
And then...
Oh, what's that? It looks very healthy.
Bruh.
Oh.
It's supposed to be my haul, and this whole... The last thing that I see on the belt thing, I see is a cookie.
I sneaked in a chocolate chip cookie for myself.
He says it's healthy.
Yeah, well, it's Whole Foods, so it's got to be healthy.
Got bananas.
Bananas. Me toca. Bananas.
And then I got those yogurts again, the dairy free. But this time I got 2 blueberry and then a coconut milk.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Oh. What else you get? What was that, zucchini?
Yeah, and then I got this.
She got some cereal. Some cereal.
Burial.
Some Cocoa Crisp Raspberry.
Yeah.
Cause we bloods out here.
It's just a mini haul because I only work Monday through Wednesday this week, so.
So it's just a little mini
Thursday
haul.
and Friday, I'll be okay.
Okay, bye guys.
That's our whole, my Whole Foods little haul.
That's our Sunday fun day.
Deuces.
Bye guys. Bye.
Do you guys see that? Do you see this? Another day. Another day. Anyways. I finally received my 24 karat pro palette. Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. So excited. Ooh, yes. It comes in a pink box. Oh, there's like a card, I can't get it. Ooh. Anyways. First putting gas up. That's why I'm in the car. Look at his little card. Working it. And then it's his little collection promotion. I should take off my glasses. Ooh, I like this little packaging. Look. 24 karat pro palette. Oh, it's cool. It says, take your glow everywhere, blind the world. 6 shades, vegan, cruelty-free, when applied, glow can be seen from outer space. That's right, bitch. It's good for us. Oh gosh, I don't even want to open it yet. Babe, look.
What? Oh, 24 karat?
Ooh, look at that. Sick.
¿Eso qué es?
It's Jeffree Star.
Oh no. Esas nalgas, ¿qué?
Look at that.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Which one do you want to choose?
On me?
Yeah.
None.
So there's, how do you say it? Sarcophagus?
Yeah, sarcophagus.
Sarcophagus, King Tut, Dark Horse, Legendary Giza, and Liberace. Bruh.
That looks nice. That looks nice.
I already have highlight on, but
Alright, I'm about to drive. Stop.